Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can unarchive your post on Instagram. Maybe you archive your post on Instagram and you want it again to show in your profile. So today, I am going to show you on how you can unarchive your post on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open your Instagram application, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here, you will see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into your Instagram profile. Then once you're in your profile page, simply tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, you'll see the archive button. Tap on this archive. And then in here, you'll see your post archive. Simply tap on that post you want to show to your profile. After that, you will see here the three dots icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And then in here, you'll see show on profile. Tap on the show on profile to unarchive this post. As you can see, show reel on profile, your reel will show up on your profile and people will able to see and interact with it again. You can see it's now restored. You can go back to your profile page and then refresh your page and then scroll down to see your post. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can unarchive your post on Instagram, that is the easiest way and know how. If you know another way on how you can unarchive your post on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.